When we want the perpendicular gradient to another gradient, all we require is the negative reciprocal. So that means we change the sign of the original gradient and then we find the reciprocal of that gradient, which if it's a fraction it means invert it, if it's a constant it means put it under 1, and if it's a decimal it means put it under 1. So let's see that in practice. With the 4 it's positive, so we're going to change its sign to negative, and we're going to make it, instead of 4, 1 over 4. Then we've got minus 2, so we're going to change its sign, so this one's going to be positive, and instead of being 2, it's going to be 1 over 2. Then we've got a half. Now you probably can see what a half's going to go to, because we can see that on the previous one that a half was the reciprocal and was the perpendicular to minus 2, so it should be minus 2 here. So our half is positive, so our next one's going to be negative, and then we're going to turn this upside down, so that means make it 2 over 1. Well, 2 divided by 1 is simply 2, so it's negative 2. Our next one, this is negative, so our answer is going to be positive. We're going to turn this upside down, so that's going to be 5 over 2. And finally we've got 0.25, so we're going to change the sign, we're going to make it negative, and we're going to make it 1 over 0.25, which is just like the top two examples, and 1 divided by 0.25 is 4, so the answer is minus 4.